Hey there, I'm Pastor Brian, and it's time for Questions from Kids. Samuel from Kenmore, New York asks,
I had a big science test, but I forgot to study. One of my friends offered to let me copy his answers. I didn't want to fail the test, but it didn't seem right. What should I have done?
Samuel, that is a great question, and I think, we've all been in a situation like that, where maybe we haven't studied because we forgot, maybe we just, were distracted, or we did study, but we didn't feel prepared enough, and so it was so tempting just to kind of copy a few questions, and we feel like we know the information anyway, right? So what harm is it going to do? It's not really cheating, and so we start to rationalize, and we might want to do what's wrong, but here's the big takeaway. It's never okay to do what's wrong. Copying even one answer in a test is wrong. That would be sin, and God does not want us to do that. Instead, He wants us to be people of integrity. Even in the small things that we think really don't matter, God wants us to follow Him, obey Him, and always do what's right. We see that in today's Bible story, didn't we? Where we see these three friends, they had the choice to do what was wrong, and nobody would have known. Actually, they would have been praised for doing what's wrong, but they didn't. They did what's right. They honored God, and God blessed them because of that. Now, here's the thing. We need to always do what's right, have integrity in the small things and the big things, but we can't believe that God is always going to bless us the way He did those three friends. There may be a time where we do what's right and we suffer because of it. And you know what? I would rather do that and know that I am pleasing God, that I'm glorifying God, even if something is difficult, than have life that's easier and better and know that I'm displeasing God and not honoring Him. And so every time, big things, small things, we want to do what's right. We want to have integrity as people who follow Jesus. So I've got a question back for you. Can you think of a time when you chose to do the right thing even though it meant facing consequences?